Homeowners. Homes have so many components that require testing and maintenance to keep the home safe and efficient.
Furnace filters need to be changed.
Gutters need to be cleaned. Exteriors need to be caulked and painted.
House water filters need to be changed.
Smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors need to be tested.
Smoke alarm and carbon monoxide detector batteries need to be changed. That is a small sample of the items in a home that require some type of replacement or testing to ensure they are operating and running at optimum efficiency. There is so much to do to maintain a home, it can be very overwhelming. Helpful checklists are available for download all over the internet, with most free.
Unfortunately, most download the checklist, then forget they have it to reference back to. The Elite Homeowner Maintenance Program takes the guesswork out of what to do and when to do it. The program is a plan that sends all required procedures to your inbox at the time of year needed and is customized to the components in your home. You receive no irrelevant reminders. There is absolutely no cost to use our program. All we ask is that you purchase the products you need to maintain your house through the links in our reminders.